Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to connect your SharePoint site directly to File Explorer in just 5 simple steps. Let's start by opening File Explorer and finding This PC in the left side panel. Go ahead and click on it. Great! Now look up at the top navigation bar where you'll see a More Options button. Click that to reveal additional menu items. Perfect! From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to choose Map Network Drive to begin the connection process. Here's where you'll specify which SharePoint site to connect. Click the Folder field and paste in the URL of your SharePoint site. Almost there! Just click Finish to complete the mapping, and your SharePoint site will now be accessible directly from File Explorer. That's all there is to it. Your SharePoint site is now mapped and ready to use whenever you open File Explorer.